2021 might bring new technology to India. Faster browsing, 8K resolution video without any buffer, high-speed downloads, holographic calls, which means that one day you will be able to be in the same room as the person you are talking to on the call. Smarter homes and cars might become mainstream. And all these are possible with 5G, and India is striving hard to turn this into reality. The Department of Telecommunication has asked telcos and other industry experts to share their inputs on the sale and use of radio frequency spectrum over the next 10 years, including 5G bands. Telecom Department has sought inputs on the changes needed to be made in the allotted methodology in the current spectrum, the frequency band that should be considered for international mobile telecommunication and 5G in India. So what is 5G and how it is different from 4G? The 5G or fifth generation mobile network is a new global wireless standard after 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G networks. It is designed to virtually connect everyone and everything, meaning people, objects, machine, devices. Everything will be connected virtually. It is better than 4G in terms of speed. 5G is expected to be nearly 100 times faster than 4G. You can download a 2-hour-long movie in less than 10 seconds, which in 4G takes about 7 to 8 minutes. Lower data latency. 5G is expected to have lower data latency, which is the delay between sending and receiving signals. The data latency for 5G is 1 millisecond. So from 200 milliseconds of 4G to 1 millisecond with 5G is a major difference. Now capacity. The next generation network is expected to have more capacity than 4G, which means you can use multiple devices without compromising on the connection. Now where India stands in terms of 5G? Now 5G isn't new to India, and India has been planning to introduce 5G since 2018. It aims to capitalize on the better network speed and impeccable potential the technology promises to provide. Telecom players such as Reliance Jio, Bharat Airtel and Vodafone Idea have been urging the Department of Telecommunication to clarify on the spectrum allocation and 5G frequency bands so that they can plan out their services. Reliance Jio also plans to launch homegrown 5G network as soon as the second half of this year. The company has said that a complete end-to-end 5G solution will be provided by them, and it will be ready to be deployed once the networks are in place. Bharti Airtel collaborated with Cisco with an aim to launch India's largest 5G-ready optical integrated network designed to enhance network availability, capacity and scale. The optical solutions will allow Airtel to offer 5G services to rural communities at reasonable prices. Airtel is also collaborating with European vendors like Nokia and Ericsson to start 5G trials in cities like Bangalore and Kolkata. India is aiming to become a $1 trillion digital economy by 2025. But for this, India requires transformation in digital infrastructure on a massive scale. India has been taking some major steps in terms of digital enablement, like signing a deal with Japan that provides cooperation in 5G technology and artificial intelligence. According to Ericsson Mobility reports, 18% of mobile subscribers will switch to 5G by 2025. This is how India will benefit from 5G network. In terms of education, the introduction of 5G in India can change the education sector immensely, as it can provide better remote learning opportunities. With advanced virtual classrooms and content that can be streamed anywhere from all over the world, it will bridge the gap between rural and urban India. Healthcare. 5G can help make healthcare accessible to remote places. With some devices and connectivity, people will be able to connect to medical professionals anywhere in the world. Then comes agriculture. Introduction of new technology and smart devices can improve the overall productivity of the farms. Through smart sensors, farms can gather and deliver soil status, humidity, temperature and much more in real time, which will help farmers to keep their crops healthy. When it comes to industries, with 5G, machines in a smart factory will be able to communicate amongst themselves in real time. This will improve productivity and will also ensure safety of the workers. India is already behind others when it comes to 5G adoption. As per the Speed Test Global Index, India is ranked as 131 for mobile internet speed, while India's neighboring countries like South Korea, Sri Lanka, Nepal and Pakistan are ahead of us. India's average mobile download speed is 12 Mbps, which is much lower than global average, which is 35 Mbps. But with the effort from both telecom operators and original equipment manufacturers, this can change. 5G is not a distant dream for India. It is preparing to become a 5G digital nation, and this dream might come true very soon.